not feel any better today at all. In actuality, you wanna know what I feel like? If you've ever seen Toy Story 2 and stayed till the end, where the bloopers were, I feel like Mr. Potato Head when Mrs. Potato Head stuffs him full of Play-Doh and his eyes and nose pop out. That's what I feel like. Awesome job. Space on the couch and in bed. Somebody's excited.
Get in there.
He's reaching for me. He's reaching for me.
That is just... Oh, dang it. It is super cold today. We'll get some lunch. Hopefully we feel better tomorrow because we're supposed to be going on a date or meet up or whatever with the breeder. I don't know what we're doing. The women were planning it. Not much has been going on except for snot. Boy howdy, I did not notice how far can this thing go. Okay, what happened? Go back in. Sheesh. Sorry for the close-up of my nose. I didn't realize it was zooming in until I changed the angle. I don't know what you saw. Because he's a little eager. It's like, I can eat an apple.
You don't want to make a video of this?
You don't have any top teeth. A video of what?
A video of this.
Animals and army guys?
Yeah. And don't forget the turtles.
That's an interesting mix.
And don't forget these animals. That's what your nose. There's gonna be now and tomorrow. But we won't be there tomorrow. Will this be? Will that be?
Come on, me. Arr.
That be animals, or animals, or horses, or animals. And your toes. But this time, this the army tomorrow. And we just talk. And so, wanna see this? Look at this guy. Look at this. You could look at every single, you could look at the army. Here's number 1 and here's number 2. And here's number 3. And here's number 4.
Yeah, so Michelle's in bed sleeping. Kind of been sleeping for the past 2 days, trying to get rid of this cough and sinus headache and stuff. Elijah had the bulk of it day before yesterday. He slept like all day long.
And number 5.
Yeah. I don't have it quite as bad, but I do have a lot of pressure. Not as enough to make me like want to throw up. But
And this guy has a hole in him.
yeah. Hoping we feel better tomorrow.
And
So I don't know if it's a bug or if it's dust or something, but just in case, I went ahead and started cleaning up the house, which it was a tad dirty. I thought I cleaned the counters within the past week, and they're already all functified. I don't know, like they had maybe spaghetti sauce on it or something. Sean and Elijah are back at the house watching the Santa Claus again. I feel kind of bad for enjoying this while Michelle sleeps. Hot apple cider.
What did you say?
Feels good. What?
What did you say?
So Josiah's fussing. Michelle just vomited. I'm a little bit busy. So, yeah. I don't think I'm going to be recording anymore today.